What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project, and as you can see it is well underway. What we have here is a 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet Exclusive Series in which Porsche only made 200 units of this car. Now this was created to commemorate the end of the 991 model Porsches, and as you can see there are a lot of unique features to this car. What we're doing to this is a full-body custom SatinGuard PPF installation, transforming this gloss paint over here into the richest, deepest satin sheen and also giving it excellent paint protection. So we're going to complete the rest of this car now, take a look at the process, and at the end, I'll show you the results. Alright guys, this Turbo S Cabriolet Exclusive Series is now totally completed and protected with SatinGuard PPF, and this gives you a chance to see what SatinGuard looks like above Agate Grey. Now behind me over here is my Porsche Taycan in Volcano Gray, and you can see the distinct contrast between that color and this one, this being a warmer and slightly lighter type of color. Now, everything on this car, all of the paint is now protected with SatinGuard, the most unique paint protection film in this industry, and the one that we use exclusively here when owners want to transform that gloss paint into the best satin sheen and finish possible. Now, this is also the most true to color satin PPF in that it allows the underlying color to show through better than any other matte satin paint protection film, and what you see here is the completed product. Now for all of the gray paint we use SatinGuard to protect it, but for the carbon fiber panels like the mirrors, the rocker panels, and the diffusers, we use ClearGuard Alpha to keep it gloss so that you get that nice gloss to satin transition and contrast. And what that really does is helps to highlight all the carbon fiber panels on this car. Now, being outdoor and on a sunny day, this is what SatinGuard looks like for this car. Indoors, as mentioned before, it has this really unique translucent glow that only SatinGuard has, and it helps to highlight all of the curvatures on these types of cars. Now, as far as the installation goes, I want to run through two particular panels, and both of those are back here. The first one being this rear spoiler ducktail area, and just like the new 992 GT3s, this is the most difficult panel for this car. As you can see, there are some really deep compound curvatures on here, and normally when this is done, there are a lot of openings and reliefs and joining pieces in order to complete this. This one, as you can see, is done with minimal seams, and the ones that there are, you can't see at all. And what that really does is it makes this entire project look very OEM, as if the car came with this type of matte satin finish. But at the same time, it gives you paint protection that matte paint does not. Now, the other panel I want to highlight is this rear bumper over here. As you can see, there are this area right over here, right by the license plate area. We did this area with minimal seams, and as you can see, just like every other panel on this car, it looks as OEM as possible. So guys, this was the perfect project for this owner in the sense that This is already a very rare car with only 200 units built in the world, and he wanted to make it even more unique, and having SatinGuard over this entire car really did the job. So guys, I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until our next one, please stay tuned and I'll see you soon.